guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you exactly how to add a website to your Google business profile. So let me walk you through. So you come to your browser and you search my business. So when you search my business, it's going to open and show you the list of profiles you manage, or you can just check at your top right. You see business profile manager, and you can manage your profiles from there. And also make sure you are logged in into the profile in which this Google business was created. So we're going to be managing this my personal portfolio. So I'm going to walk you through step by step. So the first thing you have to do is you click edit profile. So when you click edit profile, it's going to open up this will pop up, and you move exactly to contacts. And when you're on contact, you scroll down a bit and you see website. So on this website, you just click, and if you want to edit the website, you can do any edit you want to edit, and you click save. So this is going to take around 5 to 10 minutes to verify, and you come back and your website will be added easily to your Google business profile. So here's my website. It's been added to my Google business profile, and that's exactly that, and how simple it is to add a website to Google business profile. So leave a like on this video and subscribe for more. My next video, I'm going to be telling you more details on how to optimize your Google business profile.